Okay, they have, in this problem, they have 4 straws, right? And they want to form a right triangle, and they have 8, 9, 15, and 17. So let's think about this, right? If I have 8 and 9, let's put those there, right? And we want to form a right triangle, then we know that 8 squared plus 9 squared has to equal this h squared, right? So, in this case, 8 squared is 64. 9 squared is 81, right? And 81 and 64 is 145, which is not the square root, or is not 15 squared, and it's not 17 squared. So that wouldn't work, right? So let's try another one. Let's try, I don't know, I'm just going to go in order, right? Let's try 8 and 15 for this one, right? Let's put a 15 there. Oh, wait, I can actually do it in, let's do it in 2 colors, right? So I could put a 15 here. And now let's try 8 by 15. So that would mean 8 squared plus 15 squared equals h squared, which means that 64 plus 15 squared is 225 equals h squared. So 225 and 64 is 289 equals h squared. So for this to work, we would need to be able to use our 17 straw, right? So 17 times 17, or 17 squared, is 289, right? 7, if you don't know that, you could multiply, right? 49, 7, 11, 17 is 289. So in this case, h would come out to be 17. So the triangle that we can draw, and I'll draw the final triangle, that would be a right triangle, would be 8, 15, and 17. And that is a right triangle, right? We should mark that, because 8 squared plus 15 squared equals 17 squared.